guys, welcome back to my channel. My hemp seed addiction continues, and I bring you these hemp seed muffins. High in healthy fats, low in carbs, these muffins are an amazing snack. For this recipe you will need hemp seeds, obviously, flaxseed meal, coconut flour, eggs, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and an optional addition is peanut butter. You will also need a sweetener of choice. I went with maple syrup. Begin by preheating your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. We're going to begin by mixing all the dry ingredients first, and then mixing the wet ingredients in after. This recipe will make roughly 6 large muffins or 12 small muffins. Allow the muffins to cool for a few minutes and dig in. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and check out my Instagram for more recipes like this. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.